Hello and welcome to Tech Circle. I'm Vignesh Anantraj, and in this video we explored 5 use cases of a critical technology, robotic process automation, especially in manufacturing, which can help manufacturing CIOs automate certain activities, increase productivity and decrease human errors. RPA is of particular interest in a post-COVID-19 world where remote working protocols and social distancing could become the norm. In the manufacturing sector, we will most probably see only a part of the workforce back in the factories for at least a certain period. For companies such as this, it is critical to explore deployment of RPA to cope with decreased worker density, cut operational costs, and get to a certain degree of productivity. In a 2019 report by Gartner, the research firm sized the RPA market at $1.4 billion, up by $545 million since the previous year. However, a Deloitte study in 2020 showed that only a fifth of the manufacturing industry felt they were ready to deal with the changes brought about by the digital revolution. Hence, it is imperative for the manufacturing sector to understand and utilize RPA and other technologies to its advantage, especially during these testing times. Now, before we get into the use cases, let us see some of the benefits of using RPA in manufacturing. These include optimization of time-centric and repetitive processes, increasing go-to-market speed along with increased productivity, minimizing human errors, thereby reducing costs and increasing compliance, and increasing agility in operations. Now let us analyze a few use cases of RPA in manufacturing that could potentially help CIOs and IT decision makers maximize productivity and increase ROI. And first is data migration. We were already in an era of fast-paced upgrades in manufacturing, and COVID-19 has only hastened the need to move data from old legacy systems to new systems, which are going to be critical as many companies are going to adopt to emerging cloud models. The risk of errors in manually transferring this data can be costly, and knowing how systems are interconnected, we cannot dismiss the possibility of collateral damage. An example where data migration can be beneficial would be companies which are undergoing mergers or acquisitions, where many legacy information technology systems would require consolidation for reduced costs and operational efficiencies. In such cases, RPA can help with data migration by making the move seamless, less time consuming, and error-free. Next, we move on to how RPA can help with bill of materials. Now, the bill of materials is a very important document in manufacturing that is essentially a long list of requirements to create a new product. It functions as a source of information for employees and answers questions such as what, when, where, and how to purchase and use necessary commodities. Now, errors at any of these points can have a negative domino effect on the rest of the production cycle. This is where RPA can step in with its almost error-free performance, which can finish tasks accurately and on time, thus leading to a conducive environment for faster completion of the end product. Invoice processing. Now, when it comes to invoices, processing it can be an exhausting and time-consuming routine that involves multiple procedures by different teams and individuals to check items, approve, or re-evaluate. The amount of human interactions involved here makes it prone to mistakes such as accidental misclicks, entering inaccurate details, and in general, more human error. So this is where RPA in the form of bots can make things way easier by assisting in data inputs, error corrections, or can even be programmed to handle a few decision-making requirements for basic financials. This is where RPA in the form of bots can make things way easier by assisting in data inputs, error corrections, or can even be programmed to handle a few decision-making requirements for basic financials. And next we move on to administration and reporting. Now, it is a no-brainer that many manufacturing companies have to go through a wide range of processes which can sometimes overload the work on administrative departments, hence leading to errors. And this is where RPA deployments can be effective in efficiently organizing administration. Most reports used in manufacturing are fairly basic and are rule-based and call for same actions time after time. We can now automate what data should the bot collect, what reports needs to be processed, and how to visualize data to derive even more further insights. And finally, automation of logistics data. Now, most logistics departments in manufacturing companies are often overworked, and RPA can help in making logistics a much more seamless and errorless procedure. Now, some of the ways in which RPA can help is by automating manual shipping tasks through extracting details from incoming emails, as well as deciding when to log jobs into scheduling systems. Other uses include using software robots to track carrier tracking websites and retrieve information related to proof of delivery, help the teams with faster responses to customer inquiries, as well as identify trends and patterns in supply and demand.